In this video, we'll show you how to change the AC condenser fan on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the AC condenser fan on your vehicle, you also need to remove the radiator support upper tie bar to gain full access. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Radiator Support Upper Tie Bar, Honda Civic. Disconnect the AC condenser cooling fan power connector by pressing the tab and pulling on it. Using a fork, remove the retaining clip from the electrical harness on the fan. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, remove the two AC condenser cooling fan retaining bolts. Then remove it. You can order the AC condenser fan used in the video from CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the AC condenser cooling fan. You can now install the fan assembly by inserting the 3 lugs into their rubber insulators and screw it back on. Clip the harness back on and reconnect the fan power connector. Put the radiator support upper tie bar back in place. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Radiator Support Upper Tie Bar, Honda Civic. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.